Welcome to our booth. We are a commercial kitchen equipment manufacturer with more than 50 years of experience. And we have successfully made the 2,500 projects around the world. And we have won its project to 148 countries. By the way, we also specialize in the hotel and resort catering projects. And our products are certified with CE, ETL, and UL. Okay, let me have you introduce more information of our company. Our company covers a wide range of kitchen equipment like the cooking equipment, the refrigeration equipment, and the bakery equipment, the buffet supplies, and the food preparation, commercial dishwasher, and the kitchen smallwares, and the laundry equipment, and also the furniture. Yes, we can provide with you or kitchen equipment with you. Okay, now let me introduce our best-selling cooking equipment for you. Okay, now let's see the video. Let's see this part. This part is the four-headed pot stove with the gas oven. And actually, there has 4 flower pan, and each flower pan can be held up separately. So it is very easy to do the cleaning, and it is very easy to do the maintenance. Okay, now let's see here. Here has 4 switches, and each switch can control each flower pan separately. And for the material of the switch, which is made by the thick alloy, so the quality is very good. Okay, now let's also see here. Here has a special design, and it is the one barrel design. And this design also has the UCE certificate. And for the advantage of this design, it is not easy for the oil or to flow into the inner structure of our cooking equipment. Okay, now let's see the bottom part. The bottom part is the gas level. Is the gas oven. Sorry, this breadstick is the pulse ignition, and this is the temperature controller. Okay, now let's see the inner structure of our cooking equipment. Here will be equipped with a fan. The fan can create the oven heating, the oven level of the heating. Okay. And let's see here. Here has a slab plan. This slab plan can correct the food waste and correct the oil waste of our cooking equipment. So it is very easy for us to do the cleaning of this kind of cooking equipment. Okay, now let's see the second part. This part is the gas narrow grill. Okay, now let's see closer. Here we'll have a double guideline. The function of this double guideline is for the oil to flow into this little hole, and then the food waste and the oil waste will be collected into this little slab plan, which is very easy for us to cover up some food waste and oil waste. So why we need to make this double guideline? That's because as we know, when the oil to drop on the top of the narrow stone, it is very easy to make some smoke. So under this situation, the food quality will be affected. Okay, now let's see here. Here also has a little hole. This little hole is the viewing hole, which the function of it is for us to understand the file of the inside the equipment. So it is very easy for us to control the temperature. Okay, and now let's see this breadstick. This breadstick is the pulse ignition. Okay, and this this gas narrow grill also equipped with a little slab plan for us to correct the food waste and oil waste. Okay, now let's see this part. This part is the electric griddle. Let's check here. For the cooking area, we have made a 300 degrees Celsius process. After remaking this process, it is not easy for the cooking area to deform, and so the lifespan of it will also be longer. Okay, now let's see this part. This part is also is the little hole. The cooker can collect the food waste and collect the oil waste into this little hole, and through this little hole, the waste will be corrupted into this little basket, this little plane. Okay, now let's see here. Here also the pulse ignition, and this is the temperature controller. Yes, and there also has a little hole for us to how better to control the temperature. Okay, now let's see the last part. The last part is the gas fire. Yes, this is the cap, and this is the basket of it. Okay, now let's check closer. There will be has two lines. The first line is the maximum line, and the second line is the minimum line. These two lines can let us has a better understanding of how much oil we need to put for one time. So it is not easy for us to waste oil. Okay, this switch is the temperature controller, and we have 7 levels of the temperature to control. And this is the pulse ignition, and this is the inner structure of our fire. And we will drain the oil through this display. Yes. I have finished recommend our best-selling cooking equipment for you. So if you have any interest, you can just feel free to leave your message to us. Okay, see you.